Hi, I'm Liz.
And I'm Leanne.
And we're the Old Lady Wives. And for the next 6 weeks,
we'll be living in our micro trailer.
Well, we just got back.
And look what we found. We left without locking our vehicle. In this video, we continue our mountain biking adventures, riding at 18 Road and the Kokopelli Trail Network, tackle daily chores,
and I say goodbye to my loved ones. And we're bringing you along with us.
All right, we've got everything ready in case a wind comes. Have a look.
We put things down.
So this time maybe it'll work.
Yeah.
High desert winds, they come out of nowhere.
Yeah, and we're up really high, so just because it wasn't windy down below, we should have just assumed it was gonna be windy up here. It's a beautiful day today, no cloud, and we're heading back to 18 Road right now.
Yeah, so we'll see you there.
And we're gonna go riding, and then after that, guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna
have a shower.
We're gonna take showers.
Yeah, we'll bring you there.
Bye.
Bye.
See you in a bit.
Hi.
Hi.
Today we're Team Red. Look at us. Woo! Okay, so we're back out here at 18th, and I highly recommend this place. They're just constantly putting in new trails. That's what we're gonna go do.
And I just hope Leanne doesn't cry, because I'm just letting you know there are a few hills. They're not long.
Okay.
So I just want you to consent that I've told you that.
I consent.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
What's really nice about today is there is basically no one here. It was a holiday yesterday, and started listening to this audiobook last night called Letting Go, and I think it's going to be really good. Listen to just a little bit of it, but I know for a long time I've held on to grief, losing, well, my dad when I was 28, my mom in 2019, and my brother in 2021. It's almost like my mind wouldn't let me release it, let it go, because if I do, then I'm gonna forget them. But it's time. I feel like it's been holding me back. It's time to start living my life to the fullest again. No clouds today, and I hope Leanne's gonna be okay on this. I'm sure she's gonna cry. Here comes the superstar. All right, we are on Highlander right now. It's pretty amazing.
Look at that down there, ladies and folks and gentlemen, and everyone else who's out there. Look at this fun trail I'm about to do. Holy! Whoa! Whoops! I think I might be on the moon. I wrote all that.
Back.
And look what we found. We left without locking our vehicle. Left it wide open.
EcoFlow's still there. That's what I was worried about. Who's a bad lady?
Leanne.
Hi. That was an amazing ride.
That was a really good ride.
Woo.
I highly recommend it. Come out here.
18 Road. Come out.
18 Road and Fruta. I'd rank it right up there with Phil's.
And now we're gonna just quickly go get something to eat, something to drink, and we're gonna go shower, and we'll see you back at camp. Bye.
Bye. And now we're at the Fruta Community Center, where we're gonna go have a shower.
Well, it's time for some dinner, and Leanne's down there getting the fire going, and I'm prepping up the food.
I'm now gonna make a fire.
This is what we're having. So there's gonna be this riced cauliflower, carrots, an onion. Always gotta have cilantro because I love it. We've got this soup, chicken thighs, rice, garlic, and potatoes.
Hi.
We're out here and cooking food on the fire, enjoying the full moon.
And we both have our new shirts. We got it at the Colorado National Monument.
Throwing in the vegetables. Now we let it cook.
Yum.
Yum. This is our food. Take a look.
Oops.
All right, we're gonna eat.
Yeah.
Talk to you later. Bye.
Good morning. We're
Good
taking
morning.
Margaret in to get new tires.
It's time for new tires. We've had her for 5 years now, and the tires are getting quite low. Also, we're gonna go wash our clothes because
We're out of clothes.
it's been 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, we are at the Walmart. We're gonna go see how long this is gonna take.
All right, we got to back it up to the garage here, and they're going to change our tires.
Brand new, beautiful tires. Brand new. We are doing laundry.
Yay!
Laundry done. Back
Yay.
to camp. This looks tired. I'm exhausted. So I've written some letters, and they are my letting go, goodbye letters to my family. I'm realizing I've been holding on to this grief for so long, and I'm not living my life to the fullest. So tonight, I'm reading those letters. Dear Dad, I was only 28 when you died. You've been gone for 27 years now, almost as long as I knew you. You were my first grief. I didn't know what hit me. My life was forever changed. Just before you died, you said to me, spend my money, don't wait. You were telling me to live, and I want you to know that I did. I've lived an adventurous life because of your words. Thank you for being a good man and a good father. It's time for me to say goodbye. So goodbye, and I will see you again one day. To my rock, my mom. I held your hand when you died. I will always remember the slightest release of your hand when you left. Many times I have lived that moment and felt you leave. Your death left me breathless and lost, without joy. I had no idea of the depth of sadness I would feel. You were my inspiration. You taught me so much, and I am forever grateful for you. I am releasing you today and saying goodbye. What a day that will be when we meet again. Bye, Mom. To my brother Mike. Your death pushed me over the edge. Less than 3 years after our mom had died. I was destroyed. How could this be? This is so unfair. With your death, I felt anger. I was angry at myself for not being by your side when you died. Angry at the universe. Angry that we didn't have more time. I didn't know how much you protected me until I was older. I remember learning you spoke with an ex of mine and told them to leave me alone. I always wondered why they stopped harassing me. Thank you for looking out for me. Goodbye, Mike, and I will see you again. Well, that was a get things done kind of day.
Yeah.
We did laundry. We got the tires, new tires put on the trailer.
We got groceries.
Groceries. Tomorrow there is a big windstorm coming.
Yeah, stay tuned for that.
We're going mountain biking tomorrow. We're going over to the, we're gonna do maybe Rustlers, or I'd like to do Mary's Loop. So we'll do that tomorrow. And that's about it. That was our day. We just ate some hamburgers, and now we're just gonna see you in the morning. So we will talk to you later.
Good night.
Bye.
Good morning. This is the coldest day yet. Time for us to go south. Expecting heavy winds today and rain. So far, sun, no wind, and the rain's come and gone. Okay, it's the first time I've had to wear my onesie. Time to go south. Bye.
All right, we have everything secured for this supposed big windstorm that's coming with over 50-kilometer-an-hour wind gusts.
Yep.
So we have prepared.
We are.
The
so
wind
it won't come.
The wind better come. That's all I have to say. Now we're gonna head out and go do So a little bit of mountain biking. This is our last day. We're gonna leave tomorrow.
All right, guys, see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, we are heading out to do Mary's Loop. We're trying to beat this storm. There's a windstorm coming. There could be rain.
Okay, here is the this is old school mountain biking. Oh,
Nothing like a steep climb to get your blood going. Woo! Wind is starting.
this is a lot harder than I expected. Even though it's blue, but it's old school blue. And we're going straight up. And I get on and I pedal, then I fall and I get on and I pedal again. All right, bye. See what's over this cliff.
The Colorado River.
Look at the color. Beautiful.
And there's magnificent Leeann. We're riding on a double track right now. Hi, this loop is amazing.
Yeah, 14 kilometers. Liz is going to continue on. I'm going to go back, so that'll give me 8 kilometers. And I guess I'll see Liz back at the car. Hopefully she doesn't get lost.
And these trails are so well marked.
So well marked.
And when we first started coming here years and years and years ago,
Yeah.
before smartphones, before apps,
Yeah.
we had to rely on paper maps, and the signage wasn't very good as well. And most of the time we didn't know where we were. We just hoped for the best.
Yep.
So
Now we know exactly where we are. I'll see you back at the car.
yeah, I'll see
All
you
right.
back at the car.
You stay safe.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye! One thing I've been learning on this trip is that thoughts are not facts, and that there can be thousands and thousands of thoughts attached to a single emotion. And the key is to not resist the emotion, to lean into the emotion. And when you can do that, you can release thousands of thoughts that are occupying your mind, making you feel stressed, anxiety, sick, feel like you're going crazy. So it's a process. The wind is howling. I'm on Wranglers right now, not too far back to the car. Coming into the finish. Woohoo! We are on our way back to our campsite to see if everything is still where it should be. I had an awesome ride. I think I did around 16 kilometers. I don't think it was labeled right because the blue was easier than the green, but it was a fun ride. We are gonna go meet our friends at their place, and we're gonna walk over to the Hot Tomato
Our
Pizza
favorite restaurant
in
Yay.
Fruta. We'll see you there. Bye.
What's the other one? I forgot.
Oh. Heading to the Hot Tomato.
Yes.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay. What else did you do?
Yeah.
You should smell the pizza. Well, we had an amazing evening at the Hot Tomato. We are back at our trailer. Leeann is prepping her bedding area. Gonna be putting on her onesie because it's only 19 degrees Celsius out, and she's acting like it's negative 20 out. We're gonna head off to bed, and we're getting up tomorrow morning, and we're gonna be driving away from this lovely Fruta, Colorado area.
But it's time to move on.
Time to move on. We'll see you in the morning.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night. In the next episode, we head to our favorite campground near Moab, attempt 4x4ing, and try to find a secret house cave. Please like and subscribe.
And remember,
Keep on
adventuring.